So we're taking a look at the JT400 jump starter and battery tester. So this is not just only a 2500 amp 12 volt car jump starter that is portable, capable of jump starting 8.5 liter gas engines to 6.5 liter diesel engines with 100 to up to 2000 co-cranking amps of power. It is also, I guess, a smart tester. So you not only could jump your car, you could run tests on your battery to see how it's performing. And this is done via Bluetooth and with a download of their app. So it has a built-in Bluetooth 5.3 for real-time battery monitoring via the app. It supports battery health. You could check your cranking, charging test, real-time voltage monitoring, and you can actually see the health of the battery and the state of charge. So this does way much more than just boost your car battery to get it started. What is this good for? This is great if you have a few cars. If you have a car that is kind of used and older and you really need to keep up on maintenance and make sure you have everything running properly, and the emergency portability of a jump start once in a while. Or if you just drive long distances and can't reach a mechanic to diagnose some things, you could diagnose on the spot with this portable unit. It's also a portable power bank and LED flashlight. It can recharge smartphones, tablets, USB devices. The strobe light has 6 light modes. It's standard in most of these jump packs, but having the reliability and the capability to diagnose potential battery or alternator problems. So it's not only having the peace of mind of having a reliable jump starter that's powerful enough to jumpstart your car multiple times. The battery tester, state of charge, charging test, voltage test, cranking test, battery load test, its resistance test, state of health. Having that peace of mind in the palm of your hand with the portability is a pretty good deal. So just put it in your cart and buy with confidence.